Do you have a Golf Mark 7 like that one and you want to find the relevant information labels like your VIN, your paint code and your build date? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to the first of many videos on this lovely 2015 Golf Mark 7 GTI Performance Edition. In this video I'm going to be showing you all of the important information labels that you need to know about this car. So on these labels you'll find things like your VIN number, your build date, your tyre information and your paint code and a few bits along the way as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to start outside the car. And there's only one thing you really want to look at, and it's just over here on the passenger side or the left hand side of this vehicle, and just through the windscreen there, that's the VIN number. Now the VIN number is replicated around the car and it's an important number that's unique to this vehicle, so it's very important when ordering parts or speaking to your dealer about your car. You often need your VIN number. Next we're going to go and open up the passenger side door and we're going to look down here in the door jamb. So you've got a little bit of information there about putting things on the front seat, especially children, when it comes to the airbags. That's not necessarily the type of information I'm showing you, but this label down here is actually a really handy label. So it actually says what the model number is. This is a 5G1, so that's Volkswagen's code for this car. And it also says the version there and the chassis type that it has. It then goes on to say the paint, so that's actually the paint code. Obviously this is a white car, so it's 0000 in Volkswagen paint code. Then we've got that VIN number again, like I say, probably the most important number on the car, and that's actually stamped into the chassis, which I'll show you in a second. Then you've got a manufacturer ID there, which is actually the plant date it was built. And then we've got the built date there, which is February 15. Now there's another date on the car, but that's actually when the car was registered as a car. So we're just going to close that and we're going to come around to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance, and go ahead and open up that door fully as well. And we're just going to look down a similar position. We've actually got this right here. So this label actually is the manufacturer label and it says Volkswagen Audi Group, so that's what the AG is, and then it's got our VIN number there, and then that's our tire weight down there. Moving up to the door jamb, got a few other bits of information here. One is quite important for you to check out, which is your tyre information. Now it does list a few different tyre sizes there, so obviously make sure which one of these actually matches up with your tyres on your car. So just to show you, 225 35 on an R19. We go down to our wheel and we just check out where that is, and ours is a 225 35 on an R19. Obviously I knew that's what these were, but just make sure they match up to the tyres that you have on your car. Then moving down, we've actually got this compliance label as well. So that actually says 3 months later than the other one, which is May 15, because this is when the car was registered as a car. Again, just some replicated information there, including that VIN number. Now lastly, we're just going to go underneath the bonnet by pulling this lever here. Come round to the front of the vehicle, put your hand in just where the Volkswagen badge is, and we're going to be pushing that lever there up. Now with that safe and secure, we can just look around our engine bay. There's not actually too much to see under here. Obviously you can dig around and find the engine number, but it is actually quite hidden on these cars, so I won't be able to show you on the video. We've just got this label here, which is actually our refrigerant type and weights for the air conditioning system. And then more importantly, like I mentioned earlier, the VIN number is actually stamped onto the chassis, which is found just here, stamped in so it can't be tampered with. So there we go, nice, quick, simple video for you today. I am making a lot of videos on this car, so please check them out. If you found this interesting or helpful, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.